Well, here's the promised game, Dean. Okay, a pile of matches. Doesn't really matter how many. Now, I'm going to break them into 3 piles, right? Of any size.
Any number at all?
Yep, any number at all, okay? Actually, all different sizes. Now, here are the rules of the game. You can take any number of matches you like from any one pile.
Can you take the whole lot?
Yeah, the whole pile if you like. But the loser is the person who takes the last match off the table.
I see, so you have to keep looking ahead.
Right.
Why don't you start?
All right, I'll start by taking... I'll take that, okay?
Okay, well, I'll take the whole of the centre pile.
All right, well, I'll take that away. Oops, I mean that one away.
Leaving 2 lots of 2.
Yes.
Well, I'll take those 2.
All right, I'll just take one of those.
Oh, I've lost. I had to take the last one. Yeah.
I gave the game away, I think.
You were using some sort of strategy. You were
Yes, I was.
trying to line up...
Well, if I start, the trick is to get as quickly as I can to 2 equal piles. Then I can control the game, unless you know what I'm doing. Of course, you know it, so we better play another game. All right?
Okay.
Here's a simple one. 11 matches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All in one pile. Okay?
Right.
Now, the rules are much the same, except you can only take 1, 2, or 3 matches on any one turn. But again, the loser is the person who takes the last match.
Can I go first this time?
Yes, sure you can.
Okay, 1, 2 or 3.
1, 2 or
I'll
3.
take my maximum allowable number, 3.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take that away.
You copied
Now I've got you.
You copied me. You don't know
I
yet
didn't.
what I'm going to do, because this time I'm only taking 1.
But I'll take 3.
Oh! And I'm left with 1 match again.
You can probably see, if you work backwards, how it works out. Here's a clue. Number 6 is absolutely crucial to the whole thing. Want to play again?
Why don't you go first
All
this
right.
time?
11 matches. Right, I'll take 1. No, 2.
Well, I'll take 2.
Curiosity. Want to enrich